I'm BJ from Hearns, and I'm going to do another open box review. So this time, I'm going to have a look at the brand new Copper State Models Lanchester in the Russian version. Okay, so the original English kit has been out for a little while now, and it's a really nice kit. So this is based on the same kit with a few additions. So let's just get into here. So the boxes, let's lay that down there, are really nicely packed. Open it up like so. Okay, and there you go. So the first thing you see is a really nice manual. So the manuals here, see how thick they are? Really high quality printing, like this. Almost like a really high quality book in themselves. So you have computer graphics there, which show you exactly the part numbers and how to put it together. And then towards the back, you'll see different options, like so. Now, the Russian version is a little bit different in that they changed the gun. They've added to the back, there's a maximum type gun in the front. They've taken off the spare wheel and they've reduced the rear area here where the original Lanchester was designed to pick up air crew when they crash landed, and so they used to sit in the back. So they didn't use that for that anymore, so that was all taken off. So it's a little bit shorter. So let's have a look. Now, on this sprue here, you've got the wheels. So the multi-spoke, they've done very well. You see how fine all the individual spokes are molded there. So you've got that there. Okay, here you've got the spokes with the tyre molded onto it. So some of these are going to be exactly the same as the original Lanchester. So there's parts here that you'll see you won't be using. Now this part here's got all the new bits on it. So the shape of the turret's different. It's got slightly different angles here, different doors, and there's the extra gun right there. Now Copper State Models is a fairly new company. They've gotten into injection molded kits recently. So as you can see, these are really nice. You've got the drive shafts here, suspension components. They're the original parts of the turret, which we won't be using, but I guess you could keep them as spares. And then the final part here. So this one's a bit different in that it includes the clear parts for the lenses on the headlights. That's there, and then you can see here is parts of the framework and hull. There's the top of the turret, and then you've got gearboxes, like so, and you've got the Russian insignia on the decal sheet there. And there you go. So there's my open review of the Copper State Models Lanchester Russian version. Thanks for watching.